Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your app is updated so features match these steps. Once done, pick the friends you want on your close friends list. This keeps your notes targeted. Now open Instagram, go to your profile and tap the menu 3 lines. From there, choose Close Friends directly. This is where you build the circle. You're moving fast, tap Add, search names, and select them. Make sure to save before leaving, otherwise your selections won't stick. Next, you'll send a note to that close friends group. Swipe right into direct messages or tap the plus icon to create a new note. You should write a short, clear message. Notes work best under 60 characters, so pick one line that prompts a reply or shares a quick update. Add an emoji to convey tone. Once written, choose close friends as the audience. This ensures only those you selected see it. Finally, tap share and wait a few moments to confirm it posted. To finish, manage the close friends list and verify delivery. You can edit that list anytime from your profile close friends. Changes apply to future notes. If a note doesn't appear, make sure you have a stable connection and the app has needed permissions, then try force close or reinstall. Also check Instagram server status if multiple features fail. One troubleshooting tip: if a friend still can't see notes, have them update the app and confirm they aren't blocking you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.